Energy bars, take one. Hey guys, it's Midnight Weekend. This time we're talking about energy bars.
Yay!
Yep, energy bars is yay. I like energy bars. They're so convenient, goddammit.
Yeah, we both like energy bars, right? They're convenient, they're a meal substitution a lot of times, and they're kind of like candy bars in disguise, kind of.
A lot of them are, yeah. Yeah, they're not necessarily a guaranteed healthy snack, right? But they are guaranteed to be convenient. I kind of like the word efficient. You're saving so much time. It keeps long in the pantry. And you don't have to think about it much. It's just kind of like your plan C. But sometimes it's your plan A. You can't always just bring a burrito to your desk. You're just gonna be like, salsa. I think me and energy bars have an intimate relationship.
Oh, should I be worried?
Yeah, since college.
I was with Hot Pockets. And then I was like, oh, wait a second. It actually is not that good for me. So then I traded it in for Lean Pockets.
You must have been doing it where there was a microwave nearby. I was just eating energy bars wherever the hell I was, you know, like on the mountain, in a car, like in a classroom at 4 a.m, like energy bars.
As you can see, we have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of energy bars.
And these were all procured on Amazon.com.
Links below.
We were searching in the search bar for a healthy bar, right? And these were some of the top rated energy bars on Amazon.com.
And I would say that you and I are probably like most of the viewers out there where we're not health aficionados. And so we did have to do a bit of research on our own and also triangulate that information with like the reviews and ratings to make sure that we were getting something that was not one mass-produced, because that's something that we wanted to stray away
that
from.
stuff.
But also too that they were considerably healthy, as in
maybe,
you know, hopefully not a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
Made with real food, real ingredients that we can actually read.
Yeah, and I'm also interested in visually appealing products. Whether that means it's visually well designed, packaged, or branded, I'd like to look into that. Let's try these snacks out.
I'm so hungry and ready for some energy.
It is snack time! Woo, 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 woo. Garuka bars. What is a Garuka bar?
I'm actually finding that out right now. I'm not ignoring you. So first off, Garuka is a silverback mountain gorilla.
Wow.
Living in Rwanda. It's a name.
Like someone named an individual gorilla.
Like they're studying it or something. Garuka roughly translates to return well.
Aw, that's sweet. I assume that means to say that this is returning to nature well, or
energy is returning through your body well, or you're giving back to the environment well.
They also make their bars handmade each week and every week.
Each week?
Each week.
How many people are making them?
I have no idea, but their ingredients are super wholesome: raw honey, whole peanuts, dried cranberries, and brown rice crisps.
Yum.
Yeah.
That sounds pretty good. Here. These are handmade in Vermont. I'm gonna bite it. It's pretty malleable. Smells like sweet peanuts.
Ooh. I'm eating it.
Oh,
it's crispy. There's those brown rice crisps.
It's like a healthy Rice Krispie treat with a lot of ingredients. That's pretty good. Oh.
It's very soft. Like
It tastes very fresh. Like they just made it last week, right?
It's not very dense, because I know a lot of energy bars, especially when you get to like the protein territory, it starts getting very like compact. Almost feels like you're eating clay sometimes.
Yeah.
At least that's what it feels like.
It seems like they're hand making it and they're not using like trash compactors to put it together, right?
It's not mealy.
I like it. It's very good.
And you can really taste that raw honey too.
Good for a hike, I think. Unless it melts in your pocket.
Okay, moving on.
Moving on. Na. Let's get those Bobos in here. Wow.
Bobos!
Okay, this is like something you could sell at a fancy corner store or bodega. But this is what you would see at the checkout counter, right? Like, yeah, okay, I'll have Bobos. Whoa, this is hefty.
This would be a breakfast bar.
Baked with you in mind. That's cool. Me? Aww.
Oh, and me.
Who's Bobo? Am I the Bobo? Is she the Bobo? Is the mom called Bo and the daughter's called Bo?
I'm not sure.
Or is the mom called Bobos? Or are their last names Bobo?
Or is it because it's from Boulder, Colorado that it's called Bobos?
Let's dig in.
Oh, here. This is what it says. Sorry.
Okay.
Take some time to slow down for a moment and enjoy something baked with love, just like Bobo and her mom, Beryl.
Bobo's the daughter?
Bobo's the daughter.
Oh man, none of my guesses were right. Oh, that's soft.
And dense.
It's more like a cake.
Mm-hmm.
You ever been to Costco? Cool.
I know what you're gonna say.
Aussie Bites. You know the Aussie Bites at Costco? This is like an Aussie Bite.
I like this though.
It's like a brand muffin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Or like a European slice of bread. You know, those really thick ones. It's a little dry.
It's a little dry. Have some milk with it.
Milk, coffee, whatever to get you through this, but it is nice.
All right, folks, what do we got next?
Kate's Real Food.
They all have different like bar names.
Yeah.
Not normally do variety packs just give you one of everything.
Can we try something that's not peanut butter and chocolate, please? Because I just feel like it's overplayed.
I'm gonna go for dark chocolate, cherry, and almond.
All right, let's taste.
Yeah. Okay. I like the look of this. It feels very like well put together. It's a polished brand, a polished bar, I assume. And let's try it.
I'm really excited for this because I've never tasted ginger in an energy bar before, and I love ginger.
Our story began with Kate. She needed an energy bar that tasted great and was made from organic ingredients.
They're all starting to sound the same, aren't they? Yeah.
It makes it small batch with some sort of sweetener.
Ingredients are wholesome. We've stayed true to our roots, making great tasting food using wholesome organic. It's not your fault, Kate. It's just we've read 3 of them in a row.
Yeah, it happens.
Which again, then really just brings you back to the bar itself, right?
Mine looks really dense and dry. Like the trash compactor process we were talking about.
This smells like a lemon drop candy.
It's actually quite moist.
You know what? This is like a weird combination between the first bar and the second bar.
Yeah.
It's like
I agree. Even mine is.
I wouldn't say that there's a prominent ginger flavor. It's more of just a little bit of a spice.
Almonds are a very coveted ingredient. They use it sparingly. Remember Soy Joy? In America, Soy Joy had like an almonds and raisin bar. It was like the purple one, right? And I was like, these are pretty good. And then
you go to China.
I went to China. They entered the China market and they had the purple bar. It was peanuts and raisins. I was like, what the heck? That's funny, right?
I like the concept of the ingredients. Again, like after eating so many of these bars, they all start to sort of meld together. And this one has a bit of a kick, which I appreciate. I don't think a lot of bars go into this like spicy, aromatic territory.
That's true.
Yeah.
Next up, we got Taos Bakes.
Taos.
Hold on, I'm still chewing. Coconut lasts a long time in your mouth.
I'm actually most excited for this one as you're swishing out your swishies. I've never heard of it before. I'm really intrigued by the box, like the packaging. Our snacks, not to be confused with those lumpy cardboard tasting bars you may have run into. Oh, smack in the face. Anyways, our snacks live at the intersection of people, process, and food.
What? A 3-way? These are nice pastel-y colors, aren't they?
Toasted coconut and vanilla bean, which sound delicious, caramel pecan and cranberries, and then pecan praline and maple syrup. This is like a level up. I mean, I haven't seen any of these ingredients put together in a bar before.
They are getting a little complex with their names, right?
Yeah.
I think that's the point.
I know which one you want to eat.
Which one?
This one. The coffee one.
I wouldn't mind. Should I have that? I might not have that.
Really? I'll have it for you.
Yeah? Okay. Where's it from?
New Mexico.
It's nice to see a little bit of art and design go into some of their bars. I'm gonna have the almond agave cinnamon. How about that?
Yeah, okay, and then we'll trade. Mine definitely smells like coffee.
Oh.
Hey Google. What is Pinion coffee?
On the website sever.com, they say, pin and nuts. Rich and smooth like chocolate, and lacking that unpleasant sharpness you sometimes get after a sip of an acidic brew, Piñón coffee is truly one of the Southwest's best-kept secrets.
Oh, it's from the Southwest. That makes a lot of sense.
This is really good.
I really like mine too.
I think there's poppy seeds like all up in here.
Chia seeds?
No, it's chia seeds. All the almonds are on top, so you really see it and bite into it, which I actually appreciate.
I think this actually is my favorite bar. It's
I
not
like this too.
too sweet. You can taste all the different like macro and micro textures in there.
It's kind of like a dance in your mouth. The proportions of all the ingredients are quite varied. So you kind of know what you're biting into or tasting or feeling, you know? Feeling plays a big factor in how this bar tastes. Yeah.
I like that, getting in touch with your emotional side.
Whoa! Oh, this is pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm really excited about this.
Yeah.
Also, this has almonds too. But I just bit this and bit that, and the experience from this almond to this almond is very different. Kablooey! Like this was more like angular chunks, right?
Yeah.
And this was like slivers. And it plays a different, it just kind of like sets a whole different tone in your mouth. All right, last one, folks. All right. Okay, last one. And the last one. Last one. Next one. Last one. Next up.
So excited to try this, I think. Actually, I'm slightly intimidated.
Because there's a big buff, bald chef dude on it. Fit Crunch. Chef Robert Irvine's Fit Crunch Whey Protein Bar with 6 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. Baked, soft cookie center, chocolate peanut butter, naturally flavored, 18 bars, 190 calories, 16 grams of protein.
This is definitely going towards like a different demographic. He's like, hey, look at me, I'm a 60-year-old dude and super buff still. You want to be like me when you grow up? Okay, now eat my bar.
There's a lot of information on this box. I don't think we can cover it all in the amount of time that this show lasts. I just want to know how they made this crazy diagram bar. I feel like I'm in a science class and the textbook
showing like the
Earth's
core
crust.
of the Earth.
He geeked out on this diagram. 3 grams of sugar, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not.
Ooh, it looks kind of pretty, actually.
Looks like a candy bar, like we were saying in the beginning.
It does look like a very delicious candy bar. It's making my teeth tingle, man. They're calling protein crunchy balls a layer, but it's not a layer. If you want to have a protein bar, it's not bad. Pretty good. I'd say it's like highly ranked in terms of protein bars, taste-wise. As for the rest of the nutritional facts, you be the judge of that. I think, you know, I don't even look past how many grams of protein are in my protein bar. I'm just like, cool, 20 grams, cool.
Yeah, I mean, it definitely tastes a bit more natural. Because I think the thing about like protein bars is that once you shove all that like whey protein in there, it tastes a little bit like chalky, and therefore it like it doesn't feel like a real food. This does.
And if you need a chocolate or peanut butter fix, that's your guy.
That totally is it.
Thanks, Robert. They were all pretty good. I would not have a problem eating these again and eating the rest of these for the next 6 months.
Because we will.
My favorite was Taos Bakes.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, Taos Bakes had a very masterful grasp of ingredients, proportions of those ingredients, and the textural combination of ingredients.
Getting real technical there. I mean, I super appreciated like the innovative ingredient mashups. I mean, I've never had a coffee flavor in any of my energy bars
Very
before.
different.
Super
I
different.
like that.
And good packaging. I think they actually have more snacks outside of bars.
Oh, cool. We'll check those out.
All right, folks. Well, that about does it for this Provision Vision.
Let us know in the comments below if there are other bars you want us to try. Like and sub, ring that bell, wash your hands, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.